Where are you from?
Nigeria. Where are you from?
I'm from Bangladesh.
No, I did not though.
You don't know where is in Bangladesh? It's a South Asia. It's next to India.
Okay, that's nice. Movies, thank you. I don't even know. I don't know any of those places, sure, but it is well.
Why you don't know? You don't like to traveling?
Have you been to Nigeria before?
Me?
Uh,
No. So which country are you from?
Nigeria.
I speak a USA movie John.
Oh, okay.
She asked me how is Bangladesh. That's why I'm replied.
Okay, yeah. That's okay. You said you studied in the US.
Oh, my city name is Jaipur Heart and Rajshahi division. No, not Dhaka. Dhaka is our capital. Ivan. Yeah, my name is Walid Khan. You can see here. You are from Bangladesh, I think. You know Khulna, but I'm not living Khulna. You've been there before in Bangladesh? Oh, really?
He said he knows a lot of places there.
You visited Cox's Bazar? Because it's very famous. He or she, but is very know about my country.
I know. I know he knows.
Eknam Dohar. Oh, you have so much idea about my country. I think you are from Bangladesh. I'm not sure, but you saying you are from Nigeria, now live in USA. How you know in these places? What is the reason? You have friend from Bangladesh or something else? Oh, you have friend in different countries. I have also friend from Philippines, USA, Germany, Japan.